This pre-wired 66 block is made for many telephone systems and other low voltage terminal equipment. Provides an excellent demarc point for the end user's equipment and phone company. This pre-wired 66 block is designed in mind with fast installation of your 25 pair cable. Every pre-wired 66 block is tested, and that saves labor and install time. This is U-socked wire, and this particular model has two female Amphenol 21X connectors. For more detailed spec sheet and to order online, visit discountlowvoltage.com.